Advanced Spark streaming techniques using Scala. Regularly monitor and analyze performance metrics. Scala is a powerful programming language that is well suited for stream processing applications. With its strong support for functional programming and conciseness, Scala can help you build complex data pipelines with ease. Why choose Scala for Spark streaming? Expressive syntax. Scala's concise syntax allows you to write complex streaming logic in a clear and concise manner. Functional programming support. Scala's support for functional programming paradigms makes it easy to write robust and modular streaming applications. Interoperability with Java. Scala seamlessly integrates with Java, allowing you to leverage existing Java libraries and tools in your Spark streaming applications. Spark streaming best practices. Use structured streaming. Leverage Spark's structured streaming API for a more declarative and SQL-like approach to stream processing. Optimize data processing. Apply optimizations such as data partitioning and caching to improve the performance of your streaming. Conclusion. By incorporating advanced Spark streaming techniques using Scala, you can build high-performance, scalable, and efficient streaming data processing applications.